Imagine you are recompiling a CDB with 10 PDBs inside. We are gonna cap the maximum numbers of PDBs that can be running UTL-RP at the same time. What are the default values? So the default values is the number of PDBs that you can be recompiling at the same time is this total number of CPUs divided by 3. Meaning, let's say you have 30 CPUs, it's gonna be 10 PDBs in parallel, no more than 10 PDBs in parallel. And each of those PDBs by default will get 3 threads, meaning 10 multiplied by 3 will be back to 30, which is the number of CPUs you have. Okay, so remember that recompiling is a very CPU intensive task. So for example, when we run a search command here, we see that the percent user, which means the total amount of CPU that's being currently used, is almost 100% here. So UTL-RP recompiling is very good when there is only one database in the host and you are upgrading that database. But imagine you are upgrading a database while you have some other databases also running on that same host. Then during the recompilation phase of this database that you are upgrading, you may starve the CPU resources for the other databases. So for that, there are some new parameters that you can specify to control the maximum number of threads that the recompilation will occupy. Those parameters are UTL-RP PDB in parallel and UTL-RP threads per PDB. So as I said by default, the first one here is number of CPU count divided by 3, and the second one by default is 3. If you want to change, you can using this turn setting parameter in the auto-operate config file. So here, for example, if we say that we want no more than 3 PDBs in parallel, each PDB with up to 4 threads, this means that we are gonna use no more than 12 cores during the recompilation phase.